Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Rinku Art. I hope you have watched my last video because this is the sequel of the first video in which I have shown you how to draw a female cartoon face in a simple form. Here in this video I'll show you how to draw the body of female cartoon. So without much ado, let's get started.
Hey, welcome everyone. You are watching the channel Rinku Art.
So here first I'll draw a rough face. With that the body will also I'll draw in rough. So let me draw that. Please closely observe that this design is little different. I am not drawing any circle, but instead I am drawing a square type shape. And from here I am starting the body, that too also in rough. In my boy character or the male character drawing or video, you will find that how I have placed the hands. In the same way you have to draw here as well, like shoulder, here the hand line is there, and here you need to put the elbow, likewise here also. So those things you need to see in that video. And here I'll extend the body. This is the skirt I am drawing, and this is the top area of this small girl. And from here I'll see where the center line is coming, because I need to keep this character balanced. So I'll put the line over here, and from here I'll draw the lines to make the legs. Okay, and the shoes like this, and here I'll put the shadow like this. Okay, and I'll complete the hands. Like this. This is a rough. I need to place the hands and other part of the body in the proper place, in the proper position, so it will look nice. So this is only the guideline for my drawing. Okay, this one is the first one, a small girl, and the next one I'll do elder than this. So I'll bring the character down, and I'll take another layer, and here I will design maybe the head like this, and the eyes like this. Little different I'm doing. So just observe carefully how I'm drawing the body of this character. Okay, so this is girl, I think below 10. Okay, and here from maybe 14 to 20 or 25 I'm covering this age over here. And here how to draw the body. See the line, let me draw first, then I'll explain you. So here what I have done, I have taken a box over here, okay, and little the line will come outside here, because the female body is here, so instead of straight line it will be little curvy to show the breast over here. And here you will put the hand. Before that you need to find out the shoulder, and now the hands, but the hands should not go out, instead it will go inside and then outside. Okay, here also the same. So here is the skirt, and now the legs. Okay, like this. If you want, you can dress up in your own style. And the hands like this. This is a little stylized character, so that you need to keep in mind. And this type of style looks great in animation. And if you want to make little more stylized, then just a second. For the legs you can make it like this and like this, or maybe more thin, no issue. You can color the shoes. So later on I will do the cleanup, rough cleanup instead, and you will find the character final output. Okay, so this second character is also done, and the third one I'll do here, and this time I will choose a fat one. Okay, so this style is also different from these two, and I would like to do some funky style. Here I would like to do little larger lips. Like this, and I'll fix that one while doing the cleanup. So I'm doing directly, that's why I know you will not understand properly, so let me explain you this also. So after doing the face, what you will do, you'll just draw a simple rectangle like this. Okay, I'll extend the line like this, and then at the center where the character will get balance, we'll draw a line over here, and the legs. If you want, you can make little fatty legs like this. And now we'll do the body. So here I am doing the neck portion first, and then I'll extend the shape, and I'll do this chest line. I will draw the hands, how the hands will look like. It's very simple, you need to practice this. I'm drawing like this, okay, and I'll do this curve, and two lines will be there, then I'll join this line. Okay, and here I need to put the hands here as well, but this time again I'll do some changes, and maybe she's holding some wallet of her, and I will make the hands holding that wallet. So hence these three characters are ready. Now I need to do the cleanup. So I hope you have understood the rough of this character, how to draw the roughs, and there are three different shapes of character I have shown you here. And let me do the mouth of this character properly, like this. And this is only the rough. In my next video I'll do the cleanup. I think this video is getting lengthy, so I'll finish it here, and in the next video I'll do the cleanup, because this is little tricky one. I'll let you know in my cleanup video. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video, and if you do so, please hit the thumbs up and comment me below what else you want me to cover in my videos. So thank you, take care, and bye bye.